Yeah, g'day mate, it's Chris speaking, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This is a bit more progress in the floor. We'll just put this sucker on my head. So what I'm doing now, I'm working back towards this window. So I've changed direction. I've laid that row there. I would like to, if there was a doorway there, I'd just carry on out, but there's not. So I need to change direction, and I'll bring 3 rows this way and then go out there. I'll be leaving my last row as a cut because I need to scribe to that skirting there, because it'll just be silicone there. The rest is easy because the skirt goes over the top. So, but it's all easy. If you've been doing it for 35 years, it's all easy peasy. DIYs. I've just explained why I've changed direction. I don't always like to change direction. I don't reckon it's a good thing, because you can sometimes get out of square. But this isn't too bad because it's only 3 rows. But it's not really the thing to do normally. But that you always do. You always get your glue away from the edge of your tile. Always. Always, always. I hope everyone's having a brilliant day. I certainly am. It's Friday, so it's the weekend tomorrow. Which is cool. I'm taking my grandson to the bowling alley. He's 9 years old. We'll play a bit of temping together. He's fairly good at it. He beats his pop sometimes. Little shit. I know where he gets his competitiveness from. Oh, it's funny. I'm going against what I call going against the grain. I usually work like to the side all the time. This, I'm pulling the tiles back, but that's all right. Pop that one side. Probably this one too, so it can dry out. a little, so I'm not picking off cardboard all day. No, that's not my thing. Right, so I'll lay a couple more and then click it off so you don't get bored. We don't want you to get bored. Always watching your lines, always watching that 1.5 mil. Everyone, professionals, DIYs, always watching that grout line. Very important. And not too much whacking with your hand. You have a rubber hammer for that. Pop that one in. Look at that. Pushka. Beautiful. I'm still not up, down, up, down, up, down. See, my tiles are always by my side all the time. And it's surprising how many meters you put down because you're not going around in circles. You have time to think, do it properly. Just when you're laying tiles, it's good to just slow down. And you will surprise yourself what you get down. I do put those in as I go, ready for when I do the cuts on Monday, because I want to grout this area and next door on Monday so they can put their furniture back. All right, well, I'll click off now and I'll catch up with you soon. And we'll be home and hose. Stay in touch, keep watching, because there's a lot to learn. Subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up. Woo, 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 woo. See ya.